God, look at this, man. Oh my goodness.
Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know, back with another video. Thank y'all for kicking it with me today, guys. Y'all probably heard just the garage going up. Yep, I just came outside really quick. It is a gorgeous day outside here in Texas. And of course, here's Red, guys. I finally got this truck washed, guys. I have not washed Red probably in about 2 months, maybe. 2 months probably, and it's filthy ever since we moved over here to the new neighborhood and everything like that. For one, the rain has been crazy here in Texas. We'll get like a day or two of sunshine like today, and then it's gonna storm like 3 days later, and the truck is outside now, so I can't wash it because it's just gonna get dirty again, and it's just a pain in the butt to wash it. So I've been selective when I've been choosing to wash the truck. But I did take it yesterday, so yeah, she looks pretty good today. She looking pretty clean, I will say so myself. I'm not stepping outside because it's super windy and you won't be able to hear me. So guys, what's up? It's the first video since I've been back from vacation. As y'all know, me and Brielle went to Mexico with some of our friends. We was there for what, 5 nights, 6 nights, and it was a great time. I did put on the poll, hey, did y'all want to see a vacation vlog? Most of y'all said, hey, no, Q, just enjoy yourself, bro. We'll be here when you get back. Guys, that means a lot to me. Car going by. That means a lot to me, man. I really appreciate the support, like for real. Y'all just don't understand. So what I decided to do, you know, Brielle and I do have a couples channel. So most of the footage, no, all of the footage from the trip will go on the couples channel. So if you're interested in it, it's right there. I mean, go watch it. The first video from the trip did go live yesterday, so go check it out, but we got a few more videos coming so you can see the whole trip there. So on this video, I'm just gonna show y'all just a little snippet of how the vacation was, what we did, but it was amazing, guys. The view was amazing, the food was good, the resort was amazing. We stayed at Unico 2087 in Riviera Maya. If you're interested, we did ATV, four-wheeling, I mean, same thing, ATV, four-wheeling, zip line. I swam in a cenote, guys. I've never been in a cenote. You don't know what cenote is. It's like an underground cave, right? Pure water from rain. But apparently, back in the day, they used to use it to dump bodies because it's like really deep and can hold a bunch of tunnels underground. So that's how they got rid of bodies from what I heard. So anyway, that's just something to know. But we went swim with the sea turtles, which was, I don't have footage of the cenote and the sea turtles because I didn't want to get my GoPro wet. Even though it can go in water, I just didn't want to risk losing the footage. I did get some video of the zip lining and some of the stuff at the resort we did. So I'm going to show y'all a quick clip here what we did. So if you want to see all this footage, again, go to the couples channel. It's going to be there for you. So check out some of these clips.
We are going on a
trip. You see the bag? We at the airport. We're here for our flight. It is early. What time is it? It is 4:08 a.m. in the morning.
Quincy thought he was cool and could have a couple of drinks on the plane and he ain't ate nothing. Now look at him, slump.
Good thing we ain't drive when we get to Mexico.
Right. Tell Quincy gonna sleep.
I need one more. Hey.
No.
Hey. That's your hermana. Wait.
Okay, guys.
Yeah.
Sorry. Congratulations. Welcome to the jungle. Welcome to Unico Riviera Maya.
Oh, this is gorgeous. Ooh, it can't be bad. I knew it. Look at that. Look at that. I know. So we're at the place now here. So we got ATV on here. We got zip lining up there.
We're gonna perform the representation of a Mayan ritual, guys.
Is that how scream? Here we go, boss.
Ready?
Yeah. Hell no.
Vámonos.
Holy shit. Oh my God. 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 Woo, I started spinning. What are you talking about?
This one over here.
Oh, okay.
They don't copy. They can't copy that.
Ah, okay.
That makes it real.
Yeah, so y'all getting that one for 150.
Right.
Y'all getting a knockoff.
Yeah, they got one flower.
Yeah. So hopefully y'all enjoyed those clips. Again, if you want to see all their video footage, guys, go to our couple channel to watch that and subscribe to our couple channel, guys. We're actually moving up. We're almost at 500 subscribers, man. So that's going pretty well over there. So this video, you probably saw the title of the thumbnail of the video. I had to do all that because I had to give you all this runaround because I haven't been on camera in a while. So if you're new to the channel, I apologize. But if you not new to the channel, you kind of know all this. I'm catching you up to speed. So if you're new to the channel, my boy actually popped up and surprised me with a brand new lifted truck. I had no idea that he got it. He has never seen the house. So he's like, hey man, I want to come see the house. I'm like, come on over, man. And so this dude then popped up in a lifted truck, which is the video you're about to see. I posted this on Instagram like weeks ago. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, guys, definitely go follow me, because everything on Instagram is like 2 or 3 weeks before YouTube, right? So I was posting this truck on Instagram and it just went crazy on Instagram. I'm talking about everybody hitting me up, what's the setup on this truck and all this stuff. And I'm not gonna lie, it's a pretty dope truck. Actually, it makes me want to go bigger tires. So actually, these wheels I got, TIS 547s, they only had them in 24 by 12 when I got them. Now they're in 24 by 14. So what do y'all think? I should get 24 by 14s? Honestly, I don't know if I really want to go 24 by 14. I'm gonna have to get new tires, new all that. I don't really want to do that, but I am thinking about adding 2-inch spacers. So comment below if I should add 2-inch spacers to red. What do y'all think? I think it'll look pretty good. So I'm just gonna show y'all around his truck. I took it for a ride and all that stuff. Again, thank y'all for kicking it with your boy Q. I know I've been gone. I've been trying to do shorts, you know, but I just been kind of getting back in the flow, man. You know, getting off vacation, getting caught up at work, getting stuff done around the house, just getting caught back up. So hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'll catch y'all next one. Peace. Right, man, look, so, man, look at this guy. Then popped out with a lifted truck, bro, black on black, 24 by 14s, I'm sure. Bro, I was looking for the Audi.
You was looking for the Audi?
I was looking for the Audi, and then when you pulled up, I was about to stop you, like, man, bro, your truck clean.
Hey, for real.
So you still got the Audi, too?
Wednesday. Yeah,
Huh?
yeah, the Audi is the Audi.
Bro, this joint is so hard, bro. Oh, my goodness. Bro. Let me see some 20 Toyos. What are you sitting on? What are you on? So 30, man, what size is it? Hold on. 37s, 24 by 14, bro. This joint is nasty, bro. I can't believe you pulled the trigger on it.
I pulled it, dog.
Yeah, bro. Lariat. Dang, bro, this joint clean, man. Let's see how tall it is.
That's what, yeah, it's about the same thing.
It is.
I think it's a 7-inch. I got under there early.
See, I should have got 14 wides. They look better. Like the deeper wheel.
Yeah,
You see, mine's are 12s.
oh, is it?
Dang.
First couple days, I thought I was driving out the lane.
Yeah.
I was so scared.
Yeah. Dang, this joint clean, bro. It's a Lariat too, so it's fully loaded. You got the pano sunroof?
Yeah, pano in there.
Oh, hold on. Oh, copyright. Oh, man, you see this? He got the full pano roof, bro. Man, I can't believe, man. Black exhaust tip. You got the tails. This joint is hard, boy. Bro, this joint is hard. Man, when I tell you, you about to be breaking necks, bro, breaking necks, bro. Ooh. God, look at this, man. Oh, my goodness.
Yeah, man. The lights was nasty at night.
They do.
Yeah,
they do.
was nasty at night.
Dang, bro, this joint's so hard in person. This thing thick, boy.
It is.
When you went by, I was like, ooh. Cause I seen, I was about to say, bro, there's a whole bunch of lifted trucks over here. I gotta take it wrong.
Yeah.
Bro. Man, dang. My bad, guys. I just been talking. I ain't told y'all about the truck. So FTS lift, I'm pretty sure it's 7 to 9 inch lift. 24 by 14 American Forces. 37 open country Toyo MTs. Bro, this is an expensive setup. This is not a cheap setup, bro.
Yeah, I ran the numbers on it.
You did?
Yeah, I ran the numbers
Yeah.
on it. I came out good.
You did?
I came out good.
Yeah, bro. This is not an expensive, cheap setup at all. He got the Rooney antenna already on there. It's loaded already.
Then like they put the automatic. These are the aftermarket.
Those amps?
Yeah.
They are amps.
Yeah,
bro, these got like $2,000.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, it cost me $2,000 to get them almost. And then he got the mass leather seats already in here. Bro, this joint right here, bro. You can take it up a notch, man. Yeah, bro. You know I gotta drive it. Man. I'm gonna show y'all the interior real quick, guys. So he got, it's hilarious, a 10-speed, got the, what year is it?
2020.
That's a 2020.
It's 2020. Yeah.
2020 got the whole digital dash. Y'all know how it is on the digital, your gas, fuel stuff. New sync 4 or 3, whichever one it is. Dual AC, dual climate control. Yep. Heated and cool seats. You got the trailer backup assist, and you got 4 auto, bro.
Yeah.
So that means you got 2-wheel drive, 4 auto. The system automatically switches to auto for you. You ain't got to worry about doing it. And then you got the whole panel in here, black leather interior. I mean, they already put the amp steps on this joint. I mean, bro, This thing, and they got something else down here too. I don't know what this is. What's this?
Security system.
Okay. So you can't steal it. Oh yeah, he got lights too. What, wheel lights? And
Wheel lights and
he got wheel lights?
yeah, around the wheel and in the wheel.
I turn them on. Let's see. Oh, bro, them wheel lights, man. I'm about to get some, guys. And he got the right there rock lights up in there. You rode around with the wheel lights on last night?
I did Saturday night.
You did?
Yeah, I did.
Bro, it hit different, bro. It do hit different. You did? No, that's how you got to pull up. All right, guys. So we hopping up into the joint. You short for one. You hella short. Bro, this is clean. It's something about the 2018 model, bro. Like the screen, everything just looks newer. Even the dash is digital and everything. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna tell you it's smooth. Oh, my seatbelt.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Buckle up for safety. This smooth.
Is it?
Is it Eco Boost?
Yep.
It is Eco Boost. We talked about that. But this thing not bumpy at all.
Listen, you hear it?
I hear it. I
Yeah,
hear it.
yeah, that's what it is.
But
You know I hear everything.
I know he do, guy. He's super picky, but it's a lifted truck, bro. It's gonna make a little noise, trust me.
Alright.
Bro, this thing rides smooth. And you got the 10 speed.
Oh, somebody door open. Which one is it?
Huh?
I said one of the doors open.
Probably yours.
Alright.
Good. Bro, this thing is smooth, bro.
Man, it's smooth on a smooth road.
Yeah, that's how my truck is. Let's go back here. There's some bumpy roads back here. We about to find out. I like this. I'm getting 14 wides. Oh, look at that stands, boy, out the window. Look at it in the mirror. Oh, the tires sticking out. How you liking it so far, though?
Oh, I love it.
I should let you drive it. Get you Damn, gotta lift the truck. You gotta lift the truck, bro. Man, hold up, put this joint in sport mode. We in normal. Here we go.
Ooh, y'all here?
Bro, this 10 speed is so much smoother, bro, than mine. Hey, this is a nice truck, bro. How many miles on it?
8.
Guys, 8,000 miles, bro. So basically somebody bought this truck, lifted it, did the shop put this on here?
No, somebody put it on.
First
Traded
put it on here?
Yeah.
Okay. So somebody put this on here and didn't want it and traded it in. I guess they didn't like the whole.
It was for me. The Lord had it ready for me.
Hey, you feel me, bro? Ooh, that sunroof, bro. I'll trade you.
You trade me?
I'll trade you. Look, I got, oh, look, he see, all up in that ditch right there. They need to fix this, bro. See that? Yeah, we gonna dodge that. Ain't no rubbing either. You get full crank.
No, it's some rubbing.
It is?
Yeah, it's
I just
rubbing.
went full. I ain't feel nothing.
Yeah, because you turned the wheel all the way. You used to driving.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I ain't hear no. You hear rub.
No, I rub all the time.
You do?
Yeah.
I mean, that's part of it, though, bro. Unless you go to take it like the hopper and get some more trimming, bro. Otherwise, this road bumpy. And I take it every day to work. So I know how I should feel. I know how red feel. And I be going about 45. Yeah, we about 45.
Oh, you hear that rattling back there?
Bro, my truck do the same.
Do it.
Bro, this is smooth, bro. This is normal. This actually feels better than it feels better than my truck, bro.
Oh, see.
Let me see.
I'm used to riding the Audi, y'all.
He used to a car. This is a truck, a lifted truck, bro. This is normal.
When driving a lifted truck, it's a whole workout.
Bro, you gotta fight it.
Man, you gotta fight these big old 37-inch tires.
Let me see. Boom. Bro, this is normal, bro. This truck is handling beautiful, bro. It is. I'll be real with you. This is not. Look, boom. Boom, it's soaking. It's normal. That's red.
So y'all, I promised them to buy a lifted truck about 5-6 years ago. I'm just coming through on that promise.
Oh, man.
It took a little minute, but we got there.
We got there, though. All right, let's see how this is a tight turn. Oh, okay.
Yeah,
You
you see what I mean?
I see the real. I see the real. I could have got it. See, I ain't used to that, so it scared me. But that was fine. That's normal.
Yeah.
Where do I go? Oh, okay.
Yeah, you
so
see.
the left side rub, but the right side don't.
Nah.
Which is weird. But you go to Hopper, they can trim that up for you.
Okay.
So it won't be rubbing like that. I'm gonna tell you right now, bro, the size that look rub, and that ain't nothing, that's normal. People rub, that's just how it is. You get these trucks, bro. This thing rides smooth, bro. It really do.
Yep. Mailbox. Oh, he made it. See, I would have been scared.
You would have been scared?
I would have been scared.
Nah, bro. Like, I do. I do. Here go some bumps. That's fine.
Yeah.
It's cool. This is what it is. Like, how to lift the truck, bro.
I was gonna take it to Harper just so they can check it out, though.
What? Take a.
Just make sure that the suspension, the lift, and everything tight.
And I did these rough roads on purpose, just so I can really see. But bro, this ain't nothing after normal, bro. This actually the truck drive pretty damn good. I'm gonna be real with you. This shit drive smooth. Like it's ways. I thought when you drove it, how you was telling me like, man, it's bumpy, bro. I'm like, I gotta get in there and drive it to see. But this is normal, bro. Red be rattling and shaking like a stripper right now. You feel me? But you don't turn going right though, only to the left.
Yep.
I mean, scrub.
Yep. Only to the left.
That's weird. I ain't gonna say it's weird. They probably need to do some more trimming. All right, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up. I think it's smooth, bro. I mean, it's an FTS lift, so they make good lift kits. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no cheap lift. The tires are good. The wheels are good. The alignment's in order. You know what I'm saying? But like you said, you gonna have to fight to drive. Like a car, you can just coast. You know what I'm saying? But truck, you gotta always gotta have your hand on the wheel.
Yeah, exactly. We got Q approval.
Yeah, bro, this thing is hard, bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Y'all seen it. Y'all come below this joint. So I guarantee you they gonna like this truck, man. All right, guys, so we pulled the trucks right next to each other. So mine's a little taller. Kids, we both on 37s, though.
Yeah.
We both on 37s. So it should be the same size tire. Oh, nah, it should be same size. But you know what? It is a different tire brand.
Yeah.
Well, okay, actually, I got Nitto's. He has Toyo. These sister companies.
Yeah.
They sisters. So Toyo make Nitto. I think that's right, yeah. So it's the same company, technically, just different brands.
When you get down eye level, it's like yours like a smidgety taller. Like you
Yeah.
gotta get down.
I don't know why my tire's so much taller than yours.
No, get down. No, when you get down, it don't look that much.
Oh, okay, yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
I see what you're saying. But you know what? You're wider, so your tire's stretching this way more. Mine's is narrow, so it's probably, a little taller. Yeah. But it's a tad bit taller, like I said, by the bumper, like an inch. And I got coilovers on here.
Mirrors, they almost the same.
Yeah, the mirrors, it's probably like an inch, half an inch maybe. And it's probably just because of the coilovers. I got them put them on there and raise them up. So I'm probably just a tad bit taller. But I'm curious where you was rubbing there. It must be rubbing on this.
See where they shaved it?
This?
Yeah, they shaved it.
Yeah.
That's where it's rubbing.
Yeah. Bro, they can easily trim that. I took mine off.
Oh, did you?
The valence?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the front valence. You can tell. Some people like it. It looks
I feel
good.
like it makes the grill look bigger.
It does. It looks good. I'm not gonna lie. On yours, for some reason, I like it. On mine, it felt like it stood out like a sore thumb. I don't know why. But if you remove that, you'll be able to see the FTS. See your cross member more. Yeah. And I ain't show y'all guys. His whole suspension is powder coated or painted or powder coated red. So FTS is all red. Like down here, look at that. Cause you know you got FTS in the front, right?
Yeah.
It's red. So you move that, you'll be able to see it more. But yeah, man, this thing is clean. It's wide. I like the wide thing. Only way I can get that wide, I can put spacers, like an inch spacer on there to push it out a little bit.
So,
but
I know when you first got these,
What's
I
that?
talked bad about them.
What's that?
But now I see why you want the wider ones.
What? Oh, what's
Yeah,
that?
for some reason when I see it now,
Yeah, you can see-
now I see why you want the 14.
I want 14 wides.
Yeah.
It looks better.
Yeah.
It does. Like don't get me wrong. You see it because you did. So you like I like your stance
really
now.
like this stance,
You
yeah.
did, but now when you see it,
Yeah, I see it.
you see the difference. That's the 14 wides, bro. Like so y'all can see the difference. 12 wides, 14 wides, and it's crazy. Just there's 2 inches. The big difference it makes. That's a good comparison right there. Because make my truck sometimes look skinny.
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
You see what I'm saying?
It's
Yeah.
more of aggressive stance.
It does, bro. It does. So D Mills is on 14 wides.
Yeah.
And with a quarter-inch spacer or an inch and a half
his
spacer,
got even
he
wider.
had like 16 wide.
Yeah.
It's stupid wide. So anyway, guys, yeah, this thing is clean. It look purple, but I know it's black, but sometimes it look purple.
Purple. Yeah, in the sun.
Yeah, it do.
That's how the Audi be.
Oh yeah, cause your Audi, yeah,
like that.
it is. It looks purple sometimes, but it's black. This thing is clean though, bro. There's IG down there, but he ain't got no truck stuff on there yet.
Not yet.
Oh, you gotta get with my boy K to get you some pictures.
Oh, yeah.
The dude doing my pictures?
Yep.
Yeah, go get some pictures, bro. Yeah, but he gonna do you right too. Can't believe you done pulled up and lit the truck, bro. He said, "Ooh."
I've been waiting.
He's been waiting. He have been waiting for years and years. Bro, I'm about to flag you down.
Oh, yeah.
And be like, man,
Hey,
bro,
when I
your
rolled
truck
past-
clean.
When I rolled past the Whataburger, I seen him in his truck.
You saw me?
I said, I hope he don't look up.
I saw the truck go by. I was like, dang, that
I kept going
clean.
straight to act like I was somebody else.
Oh, that's
I
why
kept
you
on
went
going
straight.
straight.
Oh.
man.
It didn't even register that could have been you.
Yeah,
Because I ain't think you bought it.
Bree said he getting food. I was like, man, I hope I don't drive.
Ah,
past
bro,
him.
you drove right by. And I seen it. I was like, oh, I said, who truck is that? I like that boy. I said, boy, that boy is clean. And here it is. It was this fool the whole time. But anyway, guys, man, that's all we got. I'm going to wrap the video up. Thank y'all for tuning in. Congratulations, my boy, again, on getting his first lifted truck. But anyway, that's all I got. Catch y'all next one. Peace.